Read the letters. Underline the rules for Molly.
Dear Dr. No, there are too many rules. At 6 a.m., my mom says, get up now and make your bed. After breakfast, my mom always says, don't leave the dirty dishes in the kitchen. After that, I run to school because I can't be late. At school, we have more rules. Don't be noisy. Don't eat in class. My dad says I can't play basketball after school because I must do my homework. I can play only on weekends. After dinner, I can't relax either. I must read a book before I can watch TV. But I have to go to bed before 10. Rules, rules, rules. It's terrible. What can I do, Dr. No? Molly Brown, New York.
Dear Molly, I know how you feel. People always tell us, don't do this, or you can't do that. But think about it, Molly. There are a lot of things you can do. You can play basketball on weekends. You can watch TV after you read a book. Parents and schools are sometimes strict, but remember, they make rules to help us. We have to follow them. Good luck. Dr. No.